broken, but your memory's intact. Well, it's running through your head.
Just to keep your brainwaves straight. Life was not extravagant, but hey, we always paid the rent and went to church on Sunday when we didn't sleep too late. But now you need a little color and your paint is fading under. Set you free in the fire, in the fire. Speak to her and she will tell you, please. When I'm walking with a house in my head, when I'm walking with a house in my head, screen doors are rusty and the roof is sagging in. When I'm walking with the voices in my head. A sticky summer's day in Shepherdstown, an eagle in a thermal is a circling around like a tire on a bike rolling down Columbus Street. But Katie got a little look of hope in her eyes, and her arms unfold, and she looked to the skies and said, I'm gonna learn to fly around with you, yeah. She jumped up high and she fell to the ground and skinned her little knee and made a horrible sound. She got right up and she tried it again, and smiling all the way with her unstoppable grin. Take time, do what you're gonna do, and just what the messenger is showing, ignorance of what the fear is knowing. While in the mind it feels like treason, going off without a reason. Dim the lights and change the this town, on the silent streets and all around. Its crescents growing larger every time I close my eyes. The burning lamplights on Main Street on this deserted Tuesday night are calling for a sign of life to consume their fire. As the girl sits alone on a bench, she's waiting for a ride or a moment of clarity. Or perhaps she is not waiting for anything at all, and she's content to watch the street lights and the moon on the concrete. Spaghetti stains and flat champagne, this evening is behind us. I lay my head on the same old bed, and I dream of the same old dreams. One life behind, one more to go. The autumn leaves, the winter snow, it sure don't plow itself, you know. So grab a shovel, 'cause it's time to go. Every morning's just the morning after. Well, you know, I was a farmer when I was a younger man, until the fields got paved with asphalt and they took away my land. And now the monument before us, it stands so tall and proud, a glorious new mini-mall upon the earth that I once plowed. Oh, in the midnight sun, it's so clear, there is no need to disappear. There's no one here to see you if you do. In the midnight sun, it's so cold that no one here is bought or sold. It's the land of the free, just as long as you free yourself. And as you pass the miles of snow, it's all the same wherever you go. As above, the same it is below. And even when the darkness comes, swirling it into a knot, and the mirror is laughing at Mr. O'Leary, 'cause it knows he's someone he's not. Walking away from that painted reflection to do something else he forgot, and he's walking around with that stupid expression while his memory asked him, well, what was the question, as he follows the blind and he's trying to find all the things that he's not sure he missed. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. We sleep when we're walking, we never stop talking. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Mrs. Jones stands at the station, she waits for a train that don't run anymore. And she's paid up her fare for a ticket to nowhere, and she thinks she's sleepy thought that's running through my head. You're a sleepy thought that's running around, and I am trying to catch you.